If you're about to write your first research paper, let me tell you something. Honestly, you don't need to be a genius, you just need a clear system. Most beginners feel stuck, not because they lack knowledge, but because they don't know where to start. So let's break it down step by step. First, start with a clear research question. Don't try to write a paper without knowing exactly what you are trying to answer. Your entire paper is built around this one question, so make it specific, measurable, and meaningful. Once you have that, move to literature review. This is not just about collecting papers, it's about understanding what has already been done and identifying what is still missing. That missing part is your research gap, and this is where your paper will contribute something new. Next comes methodology. This is where you decide how you are going to answer your research question. Are you using experiments, surveys, field data, or statistical models? Be very clear and logical here, because this section determines the credibility of your work. After that, collect and analyze your data. Don't rush this part. Make sure your analysis actually connects back to your research question. Whether you are using simple statistics or advanced models, the goal is not complexity, it's clarity and correctness. Now comes writing the paper itself, and here's a trick most people don't tell you. Don't start with the introduction, start with the methods and results because those are the easiest. You already did them. Then write your discussion, where you explain what your results mean and how they compare with previous studies. Only after that should you write the introduction, because now you fully understand your study. The introduction should guide the reader from general background to your specific research gap and question. Then write a concise abstract that summarizes everything: problem, method, results, and significance in a few sentences. Finally, revise everything carefully. Check clarity, flow, grammar, and most importantly, whether every section connects logically. Ask yourself, does this paper tell a complete story? Because a good research paper is not just data, it's a clear story backed by evidence. And one last thing, your first paper will not be perfect, and that's completely okay. Every researcher improves through feedback, revision, and even rejection. So don't aim for perfection, aim for completion. Finish your first paper, learn from the process, and your second paper will already be 10 times better.